It's officially my favorite time of the year, and one of my favorite things to do is make advent calendars for people in my life. So today I am making a beauty advent calendar for my sister-in-law. What I love about advent calendars is similar to a stocking is you can really create something that is unique to each person. So that's why I want to make a beauty one for my sister-in-law using products that I think that she'll love. What I'm going to use to create this advent calendar is some fun wrapping paper. This is the one I'm going to use for my husband's advent calendar. Since I decided to create this one last minute, I'm going to use the same. Tape and scissors, a cute little box, put all of our advent calendar packages inside of it after. And then lastly, I like to find cute little gift tags, and then I write the numbers for each of the advent calendar 1 to 24 on the back. I forgot I also got some twine from the dollar store. This is my favorite way to wrap each present to make it look cute, but in a really affordable way because ribbon can be very expensive. For day number 1, I got her the e.l.f. brow soap and the e.l.f. brow lift. These are two of my favorite products, and I know she wanted to try them, so I thought that was perfect to kick off the calendar. I'm going to give her a little thing of spoolie so that she can use it with the product. Okay, so once the little present's wrapped, I'm going to take my twine and I'm going to make a little bow. So I'm just going to do it around at one time just to save our twine. And then I take my little card with the number 1 on it, thread that through, and then tie our bow. All right, and there's our first present done. It looks super cute. I love it. So I'm gonna put that aside and let's do the rest. So day 2 is the Milk Makeup Contour Stick in the shade Toasted. This is one of my favorite contour sticks, especially if you don't want a really intense contour. I find this is a really, really nice one, and it's also very beginner friendly. All right, there's our day 2. It looks so cute. I love it. Day 3 is the Vichy Lift Active Specialist B3 Serum. This is for dark spots and wrinkles. I've actually never used this before. I got this in PR, but my favorite type of serums are those that target dark spots or just brighten and give you a more even skin tone, and I really like Vichy products, so I think she'll like this. Okay, day 3 is done. Let's move on to day 4. Okay, day 4 is such a fun one. This is the Sephora Favorites Lash Stash to Go. So they make a different version of this like every season or so. They give you 5 samples of like best-selling mascaras at Sephora, and you get to try all of them. And then there's a coupon in here to redeem for a favorite of yours of the 5. So I think it's kind of fun. It's a good way to try new mascaras, and then you can get a full size at the end of it, which I think is cool. I think that they're a pretty good price, but yeah, they always sell out, especially at Christmas time, so I always make sure that I get this as early as I can. Okay, that's day 4 done, and I'm not gonna lie to you, this is very time consuming, so I hope you like wrapping gifts if you decide to do this, because yeah, this is gonna take a little while. So number 5 is the Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector. This is like it's a hair serum, so it's good for heat protected, style memory, detangling, and just gives your hair like a nice shine. I feel like we're always looking for good hair products and new hair products to try out that work for our hair type. Her and I have very similar hair types, so I think she'll appreciate that. All right, that's day number 5. Day 6, I got 2 e.l.f. blushes. I got the Halo Glow Blush Rose You Slay. This is a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury blush wand, and then this is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush, which is very pigmented, very similar to, say, the Rare Beauty one. So I thought those would be fun blushes for her to try in safe shades that I think will look good on her. One of the best tips I can give you if you want to do an advent calendar for someone is start early, because it is November 28th today, I think, and let me tell you, I was scrambling to finish this in time. And this is our day 6. For day 7, we're doing dry shampoo. So this is the Batiste 24-hour active. I think this is new, up to 24-hour freshness. And this is like a special one for working out. It says sweat activated technology. So you actually put this in your hair before you work out, not after. I believe that's what they said. I have one of these as well, but I think I'll really, really like this, but I haven't tried it yet. Okay, day 7 is done. It looks so cute. Okay, so day 8, I am doing the Ordinary Moisturizing Body Lotion. I actually don't know what's unique about this. My understanding is it's a very moisturizing body lotion, and I got this in PR, so I have not tried it yet, but how can you go wrong with body lotion? That's my thought. Look at how cute. Number 8. We're getting there. All right, number 9. This is really fun. This is the Pharmacy Lip Smoothie in the shade Honey Vanilla. This is like a really nice peptid lip treatment. I love Pharmacy products. They make really, really good products. Okay, number 9 is done. Look how adorable and little it is. earrings. I hope she doesn't think I got her a ring. Okay, number 10. This is one of my favorite products right now. It's the Say Dew Blush in the shade Chili. This is my favorite shade. This is, again, a very beginner-friendly liquid blush. You just want something a little more subtle, not something so intense, a little bit more natural, I guess is what I was trying to say. The Say Dew Blush is a really, really good option. All right, number 10 is done. On to day 11. It is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Set and Refresh Setting Spray. I really like this setting spray. I find it super hydrating, really nice. I, of course, love their primer, but I thought the setting spray would be more appropriate for her. Number 11 is done, and I think I'm getting faster at this, thank God. Day 12 is the Tula Skincare Bronze Boost Glow Bronzing Drops. I haven't tried these either, but I know she really likes bronzing products or like self-tanners, so I think she'll like these. All right, and day 12 is done. Well, at least we made it to the halfway point. All right, for day 13 is the Sahajan Cleansing Oil. I love a good cleansing oil. I didn't even know about cleansing oil until recently. I always thought you had to use like the cleansing balm, but the oil is really nice. Oh yeah, one of the things I wanted to share was if you like using twine for packing or for wrapping presents, don't get them from like Michael's or any crafting store. Get them from the dollar store. Like this is a huge roll, and get it from the garden section. Like this is like twine that's actually for the garden, but it's literally the same as the one you get at the craft store, but those ones are like $6 to $8 and this one's like $1.50. Just a little hack if you go through a lot of this stuff like I do, because I do really like the look of twine. All right, that's day 13 finished. So for day 14, Day 14, we're doing 2 Bobbi Brown dual-ended long-wear cream shadow sticks. Each of them are in a different shade. One is golden pink shimmer and taupe matte, and then the other is rusted pink shimmer with a cinnamon matte. I really like these dual-ended eyeshadow sticks. I find they're very beginner-friendly, and the colors look good on everyone. They're very subtle, very universally flattering shades. So if you are looking for eyeshadows that are easy to use, this is a really good one. All right, day 14 is done. Oh, 15 is so fun. I got her 3 of my favorite e.l.f. brushes. If you ever need makeup brushes, e.l.f. makes really, really good ones, and they're super affordable. So I got her the contour brush complexion duo. So it has one fluffy edge, and then it has a more smaller defined edge. A really, really good e.l.f. brush. I use this like every single time I do my makeup. And then the last one I got was their liquid blush brush, because I gave her those liquid blushes. I want her to have a brush, and this is a really, really good brush as well. Okay, number 15, we're getting there. It's going a little bit faster. Number 16 is the Tarte Sculpt Tape contour wand. The contour wand. This is one of my favorite contours. Blends seamlessly and very effortlessly. If you struggle with liquid contour, this is a really good one. Okay, number 16. For day 17, I'm doing the Touchland Salted Caramel Hand Sanitizer. We don't have these in Canada. I got these when I went to Sephora in the States. I randomly picked up a whole bunch of these just to use as stocking stuffers because I think they're kind of cool and something different that we don't have here. So those are always fun to include. Kind of expensive, not gonna lie, but I do really like them. Day 17 complete. For day 18, I'm doing the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This is like iconic. And then the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. Really nice, iconic face duo, just so she has something to prep her skin with. Okay, that's number 18 done. We're getting there. We're slowly getting there. Okay, number 19 is the Sephora Favorites Mary Masking Set. I love this. I think this is so cute. It has like a bunch of their most popular face masks. I think there's eye mask in here too. I don't know. It just looks so fun. Like, who doesn't love a bag full of masks? And December 19th is her birthday, so that's why I added happy birthday on here, and that's why I wanted to give her like a little bit of a bigger gift for her birthday, because I thought that would be cute. Technically the advent calendar is her birthday gift, but you know, tried to be strategic in how I did the little advent calendar gifts. Okay, that's number 19. Oops, so for day 20, I forgot to record this one. I got her the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Night Cream. It's just a really nice hydrating moisturizer. Number 20, we're almost there. 4 more to go. Day 21 is the Say Slip Tint Tinted Moisturizer. I think she'll really like this. Just want a little bit of coverage, a little bit of glow. Perfect for that. Day 21. Day 22. This is really cute. It's like a little ornament. There's like this Estee Lauder warehouse sale in Vancouver that was here last week, and I got this there. It was over 50% off. It's just like this little skincare duo. It's the Origins Ginseng Duo. It has a little moisturizer and a serum in it. I just thought it was so cute and a perfect little advent calendar gift. But it's going to be a pain to wrap, so good luck to me. Number 22 22. Thankfully, that's done. Day 23 is this MAC Mary Must Have. So I actually got this last Christmas, but I found it in like my PR box where I keep all my extra makeup, and I thought it was really cute. It has the Fix Spray, this really pretty sparkly eyeshadow, a really nice lipstick. There's Serumizer, which is really nice. I like it a lot. And then the MAC Stack Mascara, which I also really like. I thought that was really cute and perfect for this time of year and for the 23rd. All right, number 23 is done. Only one to go. All right, for the 24th, I got her the Fable and Mane Volumizing Shampoo and Conditioner, and came with this little pre-wash hair oil as well. I have not tried this, but I was reading all the reviews on Sephora. I wanted to get her a really nice shampoo and conditioner, and this one had really good reviews. So I hope she likes it. I hope it's good. I've never tried it before, but I thought that was a perfect way to end off her advent calendar for December 24th. All right, I'm all finished. December 24th, we are done wrapping all the presents. As much as that took forever, they look so good. And now the fun part is assembling them. So I got this crate from HomeSense, and I just put some shredded paper in it. So now we get to put them all in a cute way. I want to try and make it easy for her to be able to find the gifts. I'm going to start backwards from the 24th and then work our way to the 1st, so they're like on top of everything. Oh, I'm never going to be able to find them. This one will have to go back here too. Box seems so big when I bought it, but now I don't think they're gonna fit. Started off with a different strategy, and now I just want them all to fit. So hopefully we can get them all in. Might be able to do it. Oh no, which one was number 1? She's never gonna find it. Number 1 is right here. Perfect. And I think this is number 2. Amazing. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. It looks so good. I love it. Okay. I can't believe it all fit. And I love how full looking it is. That is so cute. Well, I started in the daytime. It is now nighttime, but I finished. I'm so happy with how it looks. I think it looks so freaking cute. It totally paid off. I can't wait to give this to her. I'm going to give it to her tomorrow. She's going to be super surprised, but I'm so excited. This was really fun. Even though the wrapping was kind of annoying, it was worth it. It was so worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.